Hello everyone and welcome to a special video on how to sell on eBay. Now if you've never sold on eBay before, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, now as you can see, I'm on ebay.com, and what you need to do, you need to click the sell link. Okay, so click the sell button, sell an item, and as you can see it should take you to a page where you have an option of selling your items, and it just gives you a bit of information on what types of items you can sell. Just click the start selling button on here. Next it takes you to a category. Now it says here starting a new listing with start a new listing. Okay, so let's say for example you're gonna sell a jacket. Okay, what you need to do, type in jacket, press enter. Okay, and let's say it's a men's outwear jacket. Once you type in jacket, you'll have a list of categories that show up, and next click continue. Next it should take you to another page. This is where you enter the title of your listing. So for example, if you type something like black men's summer jacket, and subtitle you can have something like ideal for going out, and you can enter the style of the jacket. So for example, it's athletic. You can have a size, let's say large, material denim. Okay, so next you just choose the color of the jacket, condition new. This is just an example. eBay also gives you an option to add your pictures. So just simply click add picture and your picture will show up there. And next this is a section where you describe your listing. So for example, I'm just going to type in men's winter jacket, ideal for summer, size large. Okay, this is just an example, but you might want to spice up your listing. Okay. Next, it gives you an option to choose a theme. I just leave that empty. So you can also choose a price. Now, when it comes to choosing a price for your auction, you can either have a fixed price, which lets people buy your item at a fixed price, or you can have an online auction. So if you want to do an online auction, I usually do the lowest price possible, which is 0.01, which attracts a lot of potential buyers, and then you can select the number of days. I usually do 5 days to give you a bit more time for your item to sell. Okay, so next simply scroll down, enter your PayPal details, and select the shipping costs. So I usually select if you wanna enter your own shipping cost, I usually do something about $7 or something like that. Okay, or you can do a 2 to 3 business days, and let's do $7. Okay, handling time, I usually do 3 to 3 days, and will ship to worldwide. So you can select the locations where it's going to ship to, and at the bottom you can enter your returns policy, if you accept returns or if you don't accept returns. And this is the fees at the bottom, which are calculated for any feature that you add. Okay, and then you just simply click continue. Okay, once you've clicked continue, you're taken to a page where you can select the different features that you want. I usually spend less on my listings because I don't want to be paying a lot of money in fees, so it's just 15 cents here. Okay, you might want to bold your title for a couple of dollars, but once you've done your listing, you just simply click list your item and your listing goes live. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video on how to create your eBay auction.